what up? It's your boy Mike. I am back with another episode of GN Tech. As you already know, it's been a minute, and I have been meaning to drop this for the longest while. It's been so long that the Pixel 5a is actually out now, I think, and they're working on the 6. So this is the 4a. It's still a really good phone. I picked up the tempered glass and Spigen case because I think Spigen have the best cases out there. Best combination of durability and lightweight. So yeah, so let's put that there. Start off with this. Now I've never actually used a Pixel phone before. Never actually used a Google phone before, as a matter of fact. I don't subscribe to Google phones at all, but I figured this would be worth a look in. So they got some little thingies here at the side. Okay, it's really easy. And at least the packaging is nice. All right, so looks good. And it's not as big as I expected it to be. I thought it would be bigger. Okay, so I'm not even trying to get fingerprints on this thing because it is smooth. So it's full black. I like full black, but the power button has like this little green thing on it here. So let's just, put it there. Let's see what else in the case. Trash. You got your usual booklets and shit. SIM tray, opener here. There's nothing real sensible here, is there? Nope. You got your charger. It's a Type-C charger cable. Alright, so Type-C on both ends, which really works out well for vehicles that are now being installed with Type-C USB ports. These work out nice. You have what seems to be, what is this? I don't even know what this is. That was hard to get out. Okay, so this is a USB to Type-C. So a USB, is it 2 to Type-C converter? Why would you need this? Oh, for the phone. I guess if you're connecting something that has a USB end to the phone, then this works. Okay, so you have that there. And of course your charging brick with Type-C right here. So that's pretty much it. I guess this also works for the brick as well, because if you have let's say you lose this cable and you don't have the Type-C end and you have the USB end, so it's one end Type-C, one end USB, then you'd be able to connect right here and still get the power if you want. So actually that's probably what this is for, to be honest with you. That's probably being stupid earlier. Yeah, okay, that's it. That's all that's in the box. Boom, bang, bang. All right, so let's power up this bad boy and see what's happening. Whew. Google. I don't know, when I hear Google, the only thing I can think of is like Chrome and of course the website. I just feel like I'm browsing automatically. I'm thinking this is the camera notch up here in the top right corner. Yeah, that looks to be it. And this right here is a fingerprint sensor on the back. Power, volume keys, camera on the back. Yeah. So it's taking a minute. It's taking a minute. So it doesn't seem to have a lot of battery life. And yeah, okay, it's up. So I'm gonna set this up and then I'll be back with you guys in a minute. Okay, so we're back. So got the phone all set up. Threw on the Spigen case, which is really, really good. I really, really do. Like, I swear by Spigen cases. Like, Spigen case, I'm a thing. Like, I don't know how to put it. It's a combination of like hard and rubber. So like it's almost like an OtterBox case, but it's just ridiculously light. You know, back in the days, you have an OtterBox case. It's actually very, very heavy, and it makes your phone feel really, really heavy. Spigen doesn't really do that at all. Like it's the complete opposite. So you have the durability, and it's like hard plastic, and then hard plastic covers the rubber area. And if you notice, if you look good, the edges actually cover, like they kind of come over inside, so you get that protection all the way around the edges of the phone, so it won't just be like the bezel on the back, like the whole, even the screen itself, like the corners are protected and everything. So you know, if you check out Spigen, they usually make for most brands, most of the popular ones, and it fits just right in, just like that, and boom, perfect. So yeah, so the Pixel 4a is nice. You know, I kind of got, it threw me off a little bit to get the whole flick up thing, especially with the apps. Like, I wasn't getting it really well. You kind of have to do it like from the middle of the screen almost to kind of get there, because from the bottom of the screen, it's kind of like to get the where you can see the different applications that you're scrolling through, and it took me like a good 5 minutes to figure that out. So yeah, the camera, very, very impressive. You've got a couple modes. Obviously you have the regular camera mode. You know, you got portrait mode, you got night sight, right? Your video comes with normal, slow motion, or time lapse, and you have photo sphere. Now, photo sphere is really, really nice. Photo sphere is like, so you stay one place and you kind of just go around in a circle. It's almost like panorama or panoramic, I guess. But it just has a nicer feel to it. Like, I don't know, you'd have to try it yourself to really see it. I did a test. I don't think it's something I can include in the video, obviously, unfortunately, rather. Oh, and there's also Google Lens on it that will allow you to, I use Google Lens a lot. So like, you know, you have something that probably like this knife right here, you know, you're not sure where to find it. Google Lens can help you to figure out where to get it from. So you kind of just take a picture of it like that, boom, snap, take a picture, looking for results. It shows you visual matches, and yeah, that's nice. So you see different types like it, where you can get it. This is a mastercutleryretail.com. Actually, I got mine from Amazon. I don't know why we gotta go all over the world, but let's click on it. Let's see how long it takes to load. That loaded pretty fast, and we can visit the site. That was pretty fast. Tac Force, spring assisted knife, 1454, sold out. But that's how Google Lens work, for those of you who didn't know how it worked, and for those of you that are still in school and you know, you need help with your homework, there's actually like a homework button right here. You hit that on Google Lens, right? You snap a picture of the question that you're working on, the homework question or whatever the case may be, and it will help you search for answers. I think there's always like a translate. I think it works for translation as well too. So that's pretty dope. Yeah, there you go, translate. It usually works. I've tried it before. It normally works. Trust me, it works. Okay, so let us, since we're just on the browser, let's just test out some browsing speeds. So, and I'm a sports guy. Let's go ESPN.com. That loaded pretty quickly. I don't have any issues here. I didn't check what display this thing is running on. Let me just see here. Display. Advanced. So I guess, I don't know, I guess I'll have to go through it some more, try and figure out where all that is. So quick test, let's run into YouTube. And I'm gonna play I know we're gonna play.
BurgerFi is best in class. Taste the difference. Download the app and save time and money.
Thank you, YouTube. Appreciate it. There we go. There we go. Woo. That's loud. Okay, let's get something that's not YouTube copyrighted so you guys can hear. Let's play this. Let's see what this gotta do. Okay, so we got one speaker down the bottom, and then another speaker up top here. This one on the bottom is pretty loud. It's pretty loud at the bottom right here. This one is not so bad. I mean, it's decent size speaker. It's actually pretty loud. I won't lie. It's pretty loud. I'd say it's almost as loud as my OnePlus. I use a OnePlus 7T, and it's loud. It's loud. I don't have no complaints where that is concerned. If you want to get like your list of applications that you have ready, you kind of swipe from the bottom to the middle and hold, and then it comes up, and you can get rid of all the stuff that you're, you know, whatever the case may be. It's pretty smooth. I don't remember what size I bought. Let me see. What is this? This is a 128 gigabyte edition. I think it comes with 4 gigabyte RAM. If I'm not mistaken, I'll double check that, put it in the description. But so far, I say it's a pretty clean phone. I'm gonna use it probably for the next couple of days. So what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna, you know, just show you guys some of the photos that I took. I went outside, did some walking up and down. You know, I took some photos, I took some videos. So I'm just gonna give you a little highlight reel from there. You can let me know what you think about the quality of the camera. I think it actually surprised me. It was actually pretty clean. You might be able to see some of the stuff here, but I'm gonna put it up anyways. But let me see if I can. Where's your gallery? Like, how does this even work? What Google? Come on, bro. Is it photos? Photos. There we go. Okay. So, oh, that's a video. The photos are pretty clean, you know, and I'm just gonna post these. Yeah, I'm gonna put these in the video, and you'll see them like right now. Unfortunately, I'm not giving this device away because Somebody saw me with it about a month or so back, and they're like, oh, they've been trying to buy a Pixel 4a for the longest while. I told them I was going to put it in a video. They're like, nah, they'll just pay for it. So they agreed to pay for it and let me keep it so I could do my video and before I sell it to them. So unfortunately, this one is not being given away to you guys. But I have something even better that I'm going to give away. Not in this episode. It's going to be the next one. And I promise you it'll be worth the wait. So do not be dismayed. So far, Google 4 Pixel A, or is it Google Pixel 4a? I don't know all these stupid names. It's not a bad one. It's a little bit small for my hands. Even though I prefer neat, but it's still a little bit too small for me. It's definitely not a bad phone, and I will enjoy testing it out for the next couple of days. So until next time, it's your boy Mike. Please remember to like and subscribe and share and do all those good YouTube stuff. You know, I mean, quite frankly, I don't really care. I just, want to know that I'm putting out content that you guys enjoy. So until then, I will see you in my next video. Peace.